Do you feel like there's an awful lot of noise out there telling you what you should and shouldn't be eating, but you don't actually know what is right for you? Well, I'm very excited today because I am going to be trying out this kit from Viome. It's in this little box, and we like to do the unboxing together. And Viome is pretty cool. It actually analyzes a little something to figure out how well you're doing digesting the food that you're eating. And it's actually going to give you a report of what basically you should and shouldn't eat. I have done this before. I did a kit from them, I want to say like 2020-ish. It's been a while. So they just started their creator program, and I literally immediately applied because I think this stuff is so fascinating. I don't believe in one size fits all. And what I love about them is they're actually analyzing your microbiome, like all that good stuff, and telling you based on your needs. So, we like to unbox together, so let's do it. All right, here it is. I wonder if I have my old kit. I bet I do somewhere. So this is the Viome product bundle. It has a kit, and then you register the test, you send the samples, you receive the results, and then you receive the shipment of made for you products. I am so excited to do this again. I am so curious how my results will compare to last time. I'll have to dig through and figure out from my last time that I did this. But for now, let's open the kit. And if you're as intrigued about this stuff as I am, I do have a discount code. It's just JessK. You can get 10% off your order, or you never know, there may be other specials going on. All right, imagine a world where illness is optional. Okay, welcome to your health evolution. Your results will include an analysis of your food interactions with 370 plus foods to determine what you should eat more of or avoid and why. I know one thing, the last time it told me to avoid cassava. It was kind of when I was in my keto era and I was eating a lot of siete chips, and Viome said, no, that's not good for you. So I'm not eating a lot of siete chips these days, so I'm curious what it's gonna tell me. You are about to take the first and only test that uses proprietary RNA sequencing technology to reveal deep, precise health insights. Yes, that is so exciting to me. I love this stuff. If you didn't know, really love all the biohacking stuff. I wish that I lived by it more, but cryotherapy, yes. Sauna, yes. That's all I can really name off the top of my head. So it says, remember to register your kit. So I remember doing that. There's a whole thing where you put in your kit ID and stuff, and then you have to collect a sample. So if you haven't figured out, oh my God, I have to collect blood for this. Oh, that's kind of scary. Can I do that? Oh no, I'm gonna have to face some fears. So the sample that I gave the last time was a stool sample. And I'll never forget, I don't know if they still include it this time, but you would lay out paper on your commode. Is that what it's called? And yeah, and then there was a little scoop. So I don't know if it's still like that. I am so freaked out about doing the blood, but we'll figure it out. I want the results, so I guess we have to do it, right? And then there's also saliva, so that doesn't seem too scary. You probably just spit in a tube or something. Okay, so this is really exciting and really fun. That is the kit for now. So this is really exciting and really fun. That is the kit for now. I am obviously gonna have to do all the samples and send it off. It gives you like a packing slip to, you put everything together, you mail it off, and then in a certain amount of days, once the labs have analyzed your sample, you get your results and recommendations. So there will absolutely be a follow-up to this video. I will definitely be letting you know what my results are. And yeah, I'm a little nervous now that I know there's a blood collection sample that I have to give. But other than that, I am super excited. So thank you, Viome, for just accepting me into your creator program. This is not sponsored by them. I am genuinely so interested in this stuff. That's why I have an Ultra Human ring. I have a Whoop. Like, I just love like tracking stuff like this. It's so interesting to me. So I don't know. It's just, I find it very fascinating. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe so you can definitely see the results. And if you want to use my discount code, it's JessK. Get your 10% off if you're interested. And I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.